The COVID-19 pandemic has accelerated digital adoption and transformed consumer behavior as we know it. From sharing decks to telecommuting, people now can work from anywhere, not just at their office or home. So how to make your PC work for you? With all that's been going on, we have been thinking a lot about mobile productivity. Through a series of workshops and research with our real users and customers, we managed to identify our target audience, the Gen Z creators and elites with multi-screen needs. This target audience all wants the same things for productivity on the go: easier mobility and more screen real estate.
It may seem like a contradiction, but it's really about freeing screen size from physical space constraints. This motivates us to keep employing various displays, foldable, loadable, and even dual displays.
Regardless of the form factor, our goal is clear. A great multitasking experience helps people accomplish tasks across many scenarios, like highly efficient productivity and adaptable content creation.
We bring you the all-new YogaBook 9i, the world's first full-size dual-screen OLED laptop.
In 2016 and 2018, we launched the YogaBook 1 and YogaBook 2 successfully. Since then, we've been following dual-screen laptop innovations of all shapes and sizes. The YogaBook 9i holds a new chapter for a full-size, full-function, fully symmetrical second screen. The YogaBook 9i inspired your creativity.
Not only we have made important changes to the product form factor, we have also revolutionized the user experience. Dual-screen laptops are designed to maximize productivity on the go. The YogaBook 9i offers users important dual-screen versatility, whether they are working, creating, learning, or entertaining.
YogaBook 9i offers a unique range of versatile experience with dual-screen capability. We've kept the physical keyboard but made it detachable. With a flexible folding stand, it's enabling users to work on the go more easily and efficiently.
YogaBook 9i enables users to take advantage of the full laptop experience. We've created a new Windows management function for more efficient multitasking and operation.
Generation Z as digital native is also our target audience. They are digital content consumers and content creators. Our YogaBook 9i aims to spark your creativity and passion for content creation.
As one of Yoga convertible lineups, YogaBook 9i also comes with a smart stylus to further evaluate your productivity. Take screenshots right away and insert them into your notes in the moment of inspiration. Preview all or just a part of your compositions in the creative process without the need to zoom in.
When it's time to sit back and relax, the YogaBook 9i offers you a super entertainment options. Get full immersion with a 360 soundbar powered by 4-power and well-keyed speakers.
You can finally binge watch your favorite shows while shopping online, or even read the news in a much bigger way. And don't even get us started on the possibility for gaming. All of this made possible by the second brain of the YogaBook 9i.
We built a second brain for a system on the YogaBook 9i. Give precise feedbacks on enable virtual keyboard, virtual touchpad, multi-finger gesture, and other features, and is able to combine two touch panels into one big screen, supporting cross-screen interactivity and other dual-screen capability.
This exceptional improvement to the YogaBook 9i dual-screen versatility doesn't make any sacrifices to performance, battery life, and mobility. It's a must-have for the newest product in our Lenovo lineup.
A dual OLED screen can be a great challenge for battery life. That's why the first time the YogaBook 9i builds the industry-first 850 watt-hour per liter high-density battery cell to ensure 80 watt-hour battery capacity. YogaBook 9i features Lenovo Smart Power Mode, equipped with Lenovo customized AI chip and dispatcher software to make precise adjustments in detailed scenes. Even with one more OLED screen, it's still able to meet the requirements of battery life on Intel Evo platform for single-screen laptops.
You were made for this.
Yoga always keeps things stylish and classy. The 13-inch chassis allows for a full-size keyboard with uncompromising performance and portability. a perfect combination of function and aesthetics.
We've developed a full suite of tutorials upon launch of the YogaBook 9i to guide new users. On booting, your top screen will feature your system setup instructions, while the bottom screen showcases YogaBook 9i's varied scenarios with video and graphic guides. Visit the user center to learn setup and use dual-screen related features.
YogaBook 9i is not just our newest product, it's also the brand new user experience providing crucial solutions. It's just like a wonderful book, you will never want to put it down. It's a book of limitless possibilities.